What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to Pocket Change. What we're going to look at today is a total market Tuesday. I want to look at the total crypto market Tuesday. Let's jump right into this. So what we're looking at is a total crypto market, okay? This is including BTC. Right now we're sitting at $770 billion. I mean, that's a lot right now. And so I think we can actually go down a bit further. Like I said, I'm gonna try and make this quick for you guys. I think we can go down another 33% or so easy, okay? So if we went down that far, we're looking at around a 485 billion market cap for the total crypto market cap. It's done something very similar to that in the past of where we're sitting right now, and even went down further than that. So in the past, it went down from where we're at down 61 more percent. All right. I'm not calling for a 61%, but it does match up, and oh man, it even matches up with my lower support line. Okay, so it definitely could happen. That would put BTC at $286 billion based on the past of the chart, which is not a good look. All right, so I'm just letting you guys know that. So we can definitely have more pain in the market. We're going to go to the BTC chart. This is the BTC dominance. The dominance is sitting at around 42% right now. So the dominance is slightly moving up from the past. It was here at 40 when we first dropped to this low. So BTC is slightly moving up in dominance. When I look at the BTC chart, I still, in my opinion, still believe that we could go down further. Okay, so let's go back to the past. Because I'm on a logarithmic scale chart, my Fibonacci's just flow to the next. It just goes to the next and future candles. So what I'm looking at right here is that from where we're at now at the 0.382 Fibonacci, we fell another 45% down. Okay, the last time we were here, that would put BTC at around $9,000 or so. But as you can see, it only touched it for a little bit. It was only down here for a second. All right, so it's not like BTC is going to stay down there, even if it does fall that low. My buy zone for BTC is anywhere under this 0.382 Fibonacci. So I will be looking for buying BTC once we make this drop. If we make this drop under 16,000, anywhere under here buying, okay? It doesn't matter if we hit 9,000, I'll still be buying. It doesn't matter if we're under 16,000 slightly, I'll still be buying, okay? So in the past, we did have a very similar movement for BTC where we hit this descending line here, we dropped, and basically between here and here, between here and the $10,000 is where we made our U-turn back up. So let me just give you a little bit of this right here. Once we made that turn back up, we actually bounced off this 0.618 Fibonacci, and that's why I have this line here. So our relief rally, when we come out of this, and sometime in mid 2023, okay, so this is not going to happen anytime soon. I told you I'm long term for this, so we're going to watch it drop, okay? Mid 2023, that's when I believe somewhere around here we'll have our mid year relief rally. Our relief rally in the past went all the way up to the 0.681 Fibonacci. So that would put us at around $30,000 relief rally, okay? But I'm just telling you guys, okay? Because people, I think they hear these numbers and they write it in stone, okay? 30,000 is the top. It can go anywhere underneath here. It can go to 19,000. It can go 16,000. I have a line here for 18,000. to 30,000. It can go under here, okay? So if we drop far enough and the relief rally isn't strong enough, it can only come to here. We have to break through this support line that we had here. Now it's a resistance line. So we're going to have to break through that to bounce up here. And then our next resistance line would be at this 0.5 Fibonacci. And then our next one will be here at 30,000. So we have a very long way to go for this relief rally. But just remember, anywhere between this area here and this area here is where I'm looking for the relief rally to be at. I hope you guys can see this on my screen. Okay, so let's go to the next thing for the total market. So what I'm thinking is, here is the halving. It's going to be in April of 2024. In the past 150 days or so after the halving was the bull run, okay? And that's why I have this going up like that. It looks very good. So it ends somewhere a year after the halving. So in my opinion, I'm waiting 2025, mid 2025. I think the bull run is going to be over. Now that doesn't go for the second bull run, which would be the altcoin season run. But I do believe the BTC bull run will be over around that time. And I still think it's going to be around 100, 120, around 50, 60,000 above to around 120 or so. Excuse me. So we'll see where that goes. That is not set in stone. We'll have to come back to that in the future. In my opinion, though, what I've seen in the past is that BTC likes to go like 150, or I should say coins like to go about 150 above their past. So that would put BTC at about 157. But again, I don't know if that's going to play out for the future. But if it does, 157 is really nice. So now we can jump over to I'll check out the Ethereum chart right now. So for the Ethereum chart, I'm seeing something very similar. As you can see, we've done this before. We've hit this 0.382 Fibonacci before. All right. We've had this falling line here, this descending line before. So what we're seeing here is something very similar with Ethereum. It's holding up a lot stronger. As we get over to June 2023, somewhere around here, this is where I see Ethereum falling down eventually. Okay. Somewhere between here, from where we're at now, January 2020, from January 2023 to around at the very tip, August of 2023. I do see Ethereum kind of falling down. It can make this way down. It can make its way down to 700. This usually happens during the halving, or we can follow this line here and then drop down to 700. All right. But at the end of the day, Ethereum is holding up better than BTC with only a 77% drop when BTC is, let's see. Nope. Okay. BTC is sitting at a 75% drop. So they're very similar and holding up well. So you could have picked and chose whichever one you wanted, but they're holding up very similar. So that's a good thing for the market. Let's go ahead and look at the Fear and Greed Index. The Fear and Greed Index is looking pretty scary for a lot of people. As you can see here, we're sitting at 28, but this was not the lowest we've been at. If we're looking at, I think we're on the yearly chart right now, around June of 2022, that was when we were hitting very, very lows. So we've actually gone up in the Fear and Greed Index, although for the last month, people have been very scared, okay? So that's something to think about. Now, this chart here is one of my favorite charts. This is the altcoin season index. Okay, now I have this chart set at a year. So I'm at the highest time frame. You can do altcoin season, you can do month, and you can do year. Okay, so this is the altcoin season. So what it's saying is this is BTC season, you can scoop up BTC for the low. Um, let's go to the yearly chart, and I'll stick to that one. That's the one I like the most. It kind of gives me the most accurate reading. Okay. So the last time that, see, we're hitting on the support line at 24, between 24 and 25 right here, 25. So in my opinion, when we go under here and we start getting into this area, just like we did before, okay, just like we did before, this is the area that I'm waiting for. All right, you guys, this is the area where I believe that people are waiting to get into. They don't know what they're waiting for. And I'm telling you, I'm looking at a chart right now that tells me right now this is the area that we were waiting for. All right, when the BTC is hurting, when people are scared, when people are BTC's dead forever. This is that area. We haven't hit that yet. So let me go ahead and shrink this up real quick and see if I can. There we go. I want to see the date right there. So this right here is December 18th to January 2019. This is the bottom of the bear market on BTC chart. I can show you that right here. We're going to go to 2018, 2019, right here. This is that area that I just showed you. Okay. When we had the most pain in the market, all right, when we had the most pain in the market, we were under this line. This is an oscillating chart. Okay. We're gonna get back to under this line, just a matter of time. That's all we're waiting for. So when that happens, you guys, I'm just letting you guys know, I'm gonna update you guys every Tuesday. I'm gonna do a total market Tuesday. And I'm gonna try to keep you guys posted, keep you guys updated with this. I want to just go over all of my favorite charts all at once on Tuesdays, okay? And I hope you guys like that. If you do, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I do have more charts to go over, but I think that maybe we'll stop there. I'll see you guys in the future.